Hey, hi everyone, I'm back with this new video and after a long time, and today at this occasion I will like to do this video. Today I'm going to make the video on how to apply for an driving license, Indian driving license, so which you can do at home at a very less time, and you can do it by going at an internet connection, which is a very best. So today at this occasion I will like to wish everyone that happy Republic Day to everyone of this 26th January 2018. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you that how to apply for Indian driving license, how to apply for it, how to go for the appointment. I will clear all the doubts regarding this. So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you all this process step by step. So hi guys, this is Rohit here. You're watching my channel Rohit, and I make videos on PC tips and tricks, gadget reviews, mobile unboxing, tags just like this one. And hey, if you're new, consider subscribing over there. Alright, so we'll heading for the Google Chrome. Everyone uses the Google Chrome for this so we'll heading for the Google Chrome. At the search bar we'll just type in apply for a driving license. Alright, so I'm from Maharashtra. Mine may be different, your may be different. So at the first you will see the Vahan and Sarthi, so you can go for this one. So just head in for that one and let's go in for that. So as for going for an Indian sites, they are very low. So as you see, this is the home page for the Sarthi. So we'll just go for this online service and a portal available in the state listed. So select your states. So everyone's site may be different. So we'll just go for an Maharashtra. Alright, so this is the Maharashtra's document. What you want to go, you want to just go in for the driving license, and then you will just go on the apply online. So before applying for a driving license, the learning license test must be occupied. So you must be apply for the learning license. Learning license, what is consist of? The learning license consists of 6 months of validity, and after 6 months you must be apply for the within the 6 months you must be apply for a driving license. But first of all we'll just go for an apply online and the new learning license. If you haven't driving license already, or if you want to do again validity, you want to extend the validity, you can go for this site as well as. So what we're going to do, we just go in this new learning license, learner's license. So here are all the stages that how we can do all this process. So mainly there is one process. First process, fill the applicant's details, then upload document, upload photo and the signature, LL's test and slot booking and payment of fee. When I was just made it online, there was not any option. There was just an option that you want to just fill the form, take the printout of it, go to the RTO and then fill the stamp and do the payment over there. But now they have updated their site. So I'm going to like to give all the stages that how to do this. So stay tuned with me. So first of all, we will just fill the applicant's detail. Actually, I have already applied for it. So I will just give an example that how to do this. So okay, so we'll just go for and continue. Make sure you keep your documents handy. I have given the list of the documents which are required for this learner's license at the description below. So kindly check the description box if you haven't checked it till now. Alright, so we'll just go for the next step. Okay, so here is the application for the learner's license. So what you want to do, just select all the appropriate answers, all the appropriate questions, all the appropriate options which you does have. So I don't have any license. Actually I have a license, but at this stage I am making the license, so I don't have any license. Yours may be the same. Okay, I don't have any license. If you are having, if you want to update your license, if you want to update the validity, you can go for the holding driving license, enter the DL number. Okay, I don't have any license. Alright, I will keep this space blank and just go for and submit. There is nothing to go in this. Alright, after that what we want to do is that state, select the state, correct state. So I have my own state. I'm from the Maharashtra and Pune city, so I will go for an RD office at MH14. Okay, I will go for MH14. Yours may be different, mine is different. So MH14 Pimpri Chinchwad, so I have stays on this one. There is no need for the pin code as we have selected the RTO office code. So just enter all your correct details. So I will just enter my whole details here. What happens when you click on the middle name, actually the middle name doesn't fills totally, it only just okay, so it just gives 1 2 3 4 5 6, it just gives 6 character. If anyone's father's name is more than 6 character, it won't be displayed over here. So keep this space blank and enter your surname. Okay, now relation, just choose father and enter the father's full name, not the full name, not the father's middle name, just enter your father's name. So okay, after filling all these documents, after filling all this necessary requirements, I will just go for an address. So enter your correct address over there. Don't do any mistakes in this government's document, because these documents are needed for any of the purposes. So please don't neglect this. So make sure you hit the correct answer over there. So as you see, address lines 1 2 3 are to be printed on the smart card. So as on the smart card, the address are been written. So choose your correct address, choose your permanent address, not the temporary one. Alright, so I will choose it. So okay, after entering the correct address, we'll just go for an select class of vehicles. So for what position you want to apply for a license, so what vehicles you want to do for it. Basically the motorcycle less than 50cc, if you want to do this, just click on this and just enter this. So motorcycle with less than 50cc, it must be needed, and motorcycle with gear, non-transport. Alright, now motorcycle without gear, kindly it doesn't contain. If you are applying for the motorcycle with gear, so it will be neglected. So see, I will just give you an answer. Already selected for MCWG, motorcycle with gear, serves both purposes, hence MCWG only selected. So if you have been selected on earlier for the motorcycle with gear, then no need of selecting motorcycle without gear. Alright, now what you want to do, just enter this LMMV. So what is this? It's basically 4-wheeler car, so you must be choosing it. Alright, so any other you want to choose, it's all about the transportation. So mainly a normal person needed all this, so you must be choosing this one. Okay, now I have been convicted, disqualified, my license, no. I have not disqualified my license. Actually, I am applying first time as per your. Is the applicant's training from the driving. If you are from a driving school, then please tick yes, and if you are not, then don't take it. Okay, I am willing to donate my organs in case of accidental death. If your death will be occur, if you are willing to give all your organs, if you want to donate all your organs, then please choose this. My suggestion is that please tick this, because any needy person will get your organs. Alright, and then we'll just go for an submit button. Okay, so basically this is the acknowledgement slip. What you want to do at this acknowledgement slip, so just print this acknowledgement slip and just go for the respected RT office. So basically this is my application number. Make sure you save anywhere and then print anywhere if you want to. If you are doing this, if you don't have printer at home, you can just go for a print and then just choose for an save as PDF. Alright, and then save, and you can get this file in the pen drive and then go for an cyber cafe and then you can print it. Alright, so we'll just go for the next. Okay, so this is my application number, the date of birth. Okay, I will just see this one. Okay, now what you want to do, the stages to be completed. Okay, so the stages are to be completed. So fill the application details. Actually I have been completed, so it will show completed. Upload document. Now next step is to the upload document. So just click on the upload document. Alright, and then proceed. Alright, after going for an upload document, you must be uploading your document which you have been given. Basically I have given the documents which are needed over there. Okay, just click on the OK. Okay, so what document we want to just apply? Mainly the 3 documents are very mandatory: age proof, address proof, and the form 1. So form 1 is a self-declaration that if you are under the age of 18, you must be a self-declaration, you must be a declaration from your parents that I am issuing my daughter, my son for this license. So basically age of proof. So you may choose your Aadhaar card, because Aadhaar card is a very best document. You can select it anyone. Actually, I also made the video on passport. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go over there. Also, I have made the video on the PAN card. I have given the link at the description box. Also, the I button is blinking at the top right corner over there, and you may choose, you may click on this and you may go for this one. So I will choose foreign passport. There is nothing for the Aadhaar card, so I will go for an passport. Okay, so at the passport, what you want to do is just enter the selected documents applied for age group. Okay, passport. Okay, document number, issue authentic, and issue date. If you are on passport, you can just go for this one. And then what you want to do, just go for a document, choose the document. Okay, so after uploading the document, make sure you check your slot, make sure you choose your correct date for the appointment. Okay, LL slot booking. All right, you can just go for and proceed. Okay, so this is the document, this is the page for LL test. So the green specially mentions that it is the slot available, and the red no slots available, the blue holiday, previous, future. All right, so the basically green is the available date. So when you submit the form, after that, so I have an appointment for in March 2018, so I directly have a date on the March. So for driving license, you have to wait very long. Okay, then just click on the correct date if you wanted, and just click on this. Okay, so after when you choose this, here you will see the available quota. Select the time and click on the book slot button. There are the times given. There is a time given. Actually here it is shown as 0 seats available at 11 to 12 p.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. there are 16 seats available. 12 to 1 p.m. 32 seats available. 1 to 2 p.m. 32 seats available. So basically, if you want as per your quota, as per your available quota, you may choose. I will choose for 11 to 12 as early as possible. It will be very good. Okay, and then go for the book slot. Alright, after you go for a book slot, you will go for another stage. Okay, so they will give you a confirmation that do you want to check all this document. If you fail to do this, make sure you go to another registration again. There is no need of problem. You can make plenty of documents over there. So we'll just go for an applicant's name and we'll check it. If you are having a mistake, you can go from the step 1 again. Alright, so this is my date and this is my time. Okay, SMS will be sent to the above mobile number. Alright, now confirm the booking, confirm to the slot book. Okay, confirm it. Okay, so here is my basic information. Provisional appointment for the learner's license test. If you want to just go for a print, you may also print this because it's needed at the RTO office. So you may save as a PDF and print anywhere. Make sure you 1 hour before schedule the time. You approximately reach over there at 1 hour before. So okay, so we'll just go for the next one. Okay, so we have completed. As I have not uploaded anything because I have already applied, so I've just given the guide that how to do this. Now fee payment. Okay, we'll just go for a fee. At my stage, I just paid 700 to 800. So let's go for a fee payment. Just click on the proceed. So just click on the proceed. Okay, so application number, date of birth, click here for the calculation fee. As per your stage, as per your details, they will give the fee. Okay, so issue new LL. So here is the fee amount. The total amount is 503. So it's basic amount. Agent will be taking more amount from this one. So it's a basic amount. You may choose, you may see all the transactions for what they have been applied, for what they have been given the taxes. So basically for a new learner's license within the less than 50 cc, 144.63 amount, non-transport 144, LMV NT, go for all this thing. LL test 50 rupees, service charge 6.37, LMVT means everything 503, amount to be paid 503. Bank, gateway, treasury, you may choose for an SBI ePay. There is only option for the SBI ePay. and basically this is the refresh. You can just go for an enter the shows be said and pay now, and if you want to pay you may pay, so it must be important to pay. I will not pay because I have already applied, so let's go for another. So here was all the video guys, and hope everything you have been understood that how to make this. If you have any query you can just mention it in the comment box and I will just give the answer of every queries. So please like this video. If you haven't watched this video full, then please watch this video full, and don't skip the video at any content because I have explained everything from step to step. So I have given the links in the description box. Kindly check the links. I have given all the required documents which are needed for this driving license, so you may choose for that one, and I will be making like this videos at the further. You may suggest the videos that what videos I can make on. You may just enter it on the comment section and I will make the video. So if you think you want to make the video on any government site, if you want to think any of the government rules, if you just like I made the video on the Aadhaar card, I make the video on the passport, I have also made the videos on various other government site, so you may kindly check my other videos too, and kindly do like this video and share the videos at everyone, at your friends, at your relatives, basically who needs the driving license. Everyone needs a driving license, so so I have given all the descriptions, all the comments, all the queries. I have also cleared all the queries, all your doubts about this. So kindly give a big fat thumbs up to this video and don't forget to share the video and do subscribe my channel so that you will be enjoying like this video. So that I'm Rohit here and I'm signing off.